So, how do we choose the right broker? So, the Philippine Stock Exchange estimates that only around 1% of the Philippine population invest in stock. But as more and more Filipinos discover stocks as an important investment asset, getting a good stockbroker is as essential as making the right trades. Shareholders can only trade shares through certified brokers who act as a mediator of the transaction. So, sila lang yung magiging platform sa tuwing bibili at magbibenta tayo ng stock. Ito rin yung magiging parang bangko natin where we place our funds and capital for investing. So, brokers play a very important role in the trading process. So, they handle your cash. So, then how do we choose the right broker for you? So, unang-una, yung pinaka-importante sa lahat, kailangan certified and legit. There are lots of scams. So, yan, kailangan natin iwasan yan. And opportunists na nagkalat sa social media who will take advantage sa mga tulad nating retailers. Always be cautious and well-informed, lalo na kapag pinag-uusapan yung investment. Huwag basta magtiwala. You alone have the right to manage your own capital. Kailangan ikaw mismo. In order for you to identify legit and certified brokers who can make transactions, then please visit this page. Page sa baba. Then next, we check for the broker's reliability and stability. A stable online broker is critical because a platform's downtime could trigger huge amount of losses, especially during times of volatility. Yung alam niyo yan, yung kunwari naglalag yung broker mo tapos hindi ka makapag-execute tapos unting-unting bumabagsak yung stock mo from negative 3%, then negative 5%, then negative 10%, pero yung hindi ka pa rin nakapag-execute ng sell mo. So, this is probably one of the things that is not controllable when trading. Kaya, we need to be selective for a better brokerage. Aside from the broker stability, speed also plays a vital role in executing your trades. Prices may change in a split second. If it takes time before the page loads or your trade is processed, the price may have already changed and your trade may not go through. Third, ease of financial transaction. So, ease of funding and withdrawing your account. So, another critical factor to consider is the ability to fund your account and to withdraw your money easily. So, some brokers have partnership with local banks that enables you to make easy fund transfer. So, next, commission and minimum. So, whenever you buy or sell stocks, you pay a certain fee to stockbrokers. So, naturally, the lower the fees, the less you pay, which means you get to retain more cash. The broker's commission is something you have to pay regardless if you make a profit or lose in stock trading. So, parang siya, obligatory. As a new investor, you have to evaluate brokers unto which provides lesser commission. So, lahat ng mga brokers in the Philippines naman offer the same commission. Pero, pagdating natin sa global market, iba-iba yung mga brokers commission. So, we need to check or assess before we select the brokers that we will be using. If you want to open an account, so the minimum amount varies per broker. Ito yun. Ito lang yung mismong may difference dito sa local market. Yung amount, minimum investment. So, in our local market, it is advisable to purchase a minimum of 8,000 of stock to avoid the fee eating into your investment return. So, the commission fee stays fixed at 20. And when you invest more than 8,000, the fee percentage is fixed at 0.25%. Next, yung platform. A few brokers offer free stock researches, reports, charting tools, and other provides linkage for company news and disclosures. These resources give tips and recommendation helping you make informed decisions when trading stocks. They are useful in providing guidance with your trades. As a technical analyst, we don't rely on disclosures or news. We view them only as a guide, not as a recommendation for us to buy. Okay? So, last is yung customer support. We need to consider the customer support offered by the broker. Kasi pag may mga issues tayo regarding our trades or questions about your account, a reliable and accessible customer support is of course important. So, kung gaano sila kabilis mag-reply sa'yo, so, parang at ease, mas madali makapag-transact